this? Sounds of the SE, who's that? Sounds of the Tunerz, who's this? Sounds of the SE, who's that? Sounds of the Tunerz, who's this? The SE Tunerz, who's that? The SE Tunerz, who's this? The SE Tunerz, who's that? The SE Tunerz. Run up in the dance like everybody down. Run up in the dance like everybody down. Run up in the dance like everybody down.
Remember, if you want to see our detailed cleaning guide using our Southeast Tunerz valeting products, you can go to the website www.southeasttuners.co.uk and you can download it from the cleaning guide page. And remember, this month we're giving away a GRACIES Sweet Treats bucket. All you have to do to win is just comment. That's literally it, just comment. Everything you can see here on the screen will be inside of the bucket. Your wrap snacks, your airheads, you name it, all your favorite American candy. And we'll also be giving away our ceramic spray detailer and also our brand new ceramic shampoo this month only. So remember, all you have to do is just comment to win. That simple. So now that the car is dried, the wheels are dried, the next step, what I normally do, is I go straight to the wheels before I start detailing the body. So the next thing I'm going to do on the car now is I'm going to add the Tire and Trim Shine to the tyres, and then I'm going to add the wheel seal spray, which will help protect the wheel. Now the Tire and Trim Shine takes around 30 minutes to dry, and the wheel seal spray takes around an hour to dry, so this gives you plenty of time to then deal with the body of the vehicle and give the wheel and tyre time for the products to dry on properly. Alright, so as you can see, we have one nice, clean, shiny wheel ready to be protected and ready to dress it up. So today I'm going to be using our Tire and Trim Shine, which has still got the old label on it, but the new ones will have the new label. Not that it matters, it's the same product. Don't dress it up, set it up. And then I'll also be using the wheel seal spray. And you know what, I think I'm just going to do one wheel. I'll just show you how it works on the one wheel. Quite easy. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the wheel seal spray on first, and then I'll put the Tire and Trim Shine. Now the Tire and Trim Shine has got a bit of a glossy finish. A lot of people don't like that glossy finish. I kind of like it. I think at the night time it makes the tyres stand out. In the daytime, once the wheels are clean, the tyres look nice and shiny. But you know, some people don't like it, but I like the glossy finish. So it depends what kind of person you are. But yep, we're going to apply this now. Hopefully you'll be able to see what it looks like. Let's set this back a bit. So there you go. So the wheel seal spray is simple, just spray on and leave. That's it. You just spray it on, leave it for an hour. Yep, so here we go. Alright, so that should dry, and we'll give it a little wipe down after. And then So as you can see now, look at the difference in the tyre. You can see the tyre nice and shiny. Looking good. And the wheel sealant that should dry on. You can see it's drying already, and leave a protective barrier. So there you go. That's one clean rim. Now it's time to do the rest. Right, so just to show you, I'm actually holding the phone in my hands now. So that's the Tyre and Trim Shine. That's the very first wheel I've done. This one I actually wiped off, but I'm actually going to leave the wheel seal spray to dry on the others. Let's have a look at one of them. So this is the rear wheel. As you can see, I'm just going to leave it to dry. But just to let you into a little secret, our Tyre and Trim Shine is not just for tyres. So it also does the trim. So this is one trim I've done. You can see, nice and shiny. I've done half of that one. You can see. So if I show you the other half, one sec. So you can clearly see the difference. That's that one. That's that one. Got some spray, some polish I mean. Okay, then you can tell the difference on that one compared to this one. So I'm going to finish off doing all the trims around the car. It also does, if you have, you know, the black plastics around your bumpers, it does all of them as well. Any trimmings on the inside of the car, it literally does everything. But like I said, you will get that glossy kind of finish, which some people don't like, but I love it. So I've now applied the Tyre and Trim Shine to all of the wheels on the car, and I've also applied the wheel seal spray to all the wheels on the car also. So I will be giving them all probably up to an hour and a half, because obviously you start on one wheel and work your way around, but within an hour and a half the wheels and tyres should all be dry. I'm now showing you in this video, I've done the trims. They also will take 30 minutes to dry, but while they're drying, this will then allow me to get onto the other parts of the car. Now, if you see in the video, you will see that it looks like some of the trim shine has gone onto the body of the car, and this is why I leave doing the body till last, because any excess tyre and trim shine that's gone onto the actual body, when I'm using our showroom detailer, I can actually spray this onto the body and use it to remove any of the tyre and trim shine that's actually touched the body of the car. So I'm not worried about this at all, and this is why I do it in this particular order. But as you can see, there will be some little bits I'll have to touch up slightly with the tyre and trim shine, but I can do that once the car is completely finished and walk around it. Thanks for watching.